Hey everyone. Hey, happy 5 o'clock. If you were working 9 to 5, you should be done by now. So it's the end of the work day. Yay, I thought I'd do a 5 o'clock video today. How's it going, everyone? It's Dione Irwin here again. The Dione Irwin Real Estate Team, Remax House of Real Estate. And I am in Kings Heights right now. I'm actually very close to the video that I did earlier today, just down the street a little bit. That was in Lanark. This one is in Kings Heights. So 523 Kingsmere Way is where I am right now. Check out this kitchen behind me. It's right now, sorry. Anyway, I'm in this gorgeous home. It's a fully developed walkout backing onto the pond here. And there's also a park right behind the house. Well, kind of over a little bit, behind and over. So it's a really great location. This home is pretty much brand new. It was just built by McKee. Look at that. I'm going to show you guys in behind a little bit. So it's a McKee built home. It's got beautiful cabinetry, gray cabinets with the contrasting white island and really nice quartz countertop. It's got the gas stove. It's got the hood fan, really upgraded backsplash. The backsplash is so cool. It's pretty awesome. Hi. Hey, Megan. Aren't the cabinets nice? I know. This home is really, really cool. So if you're kind of wanting to build a home backing onto the pond, there's not that many lots left and it takes a long time right now. This could be the perfect home for you because it's brand new. It doesn't even have, it's not fully graded yet even in the back. They don't even have the driveway paved, but that will be done obviously. But there's no concrete in the driveway yet. It's brand new. So they just moved in, or sorry, it's just up for sale now. And I'm gonna give you guys a tour. See behind, we got the pond back there and it's lots of windows, nice and bright. Just did a little bit of staging in it today. So 523 Kingsmere Way, I'll tell you guys the price at the end, as usual. It's got gorgeous 2 primary suites upstairs with a bonus room. It's a fully developed walkout suite. Hey everyone, hey Tanya, how you doing? I'm close to you. I'm in Kings Heights right now. Hope you're doing great. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the street first. Okay, so this time of day people are home from work. I forget about that. Okay, so there's the street. Hi, Debbie. See these, they're still building these homes. So the construction's almost done, but there's just a little bit left. Okay, so nice architecture in these homes, right? So you come in, and it's a very grand entry. So we've got, this is the way down to the suite here. And here is what you see, nice and bright. They've got nice, lots of room here as you come in. Hey, thanks for watching, people. Tanya and Debbie, Tracy, Megan, Arinder, thank you for watching. Awesome to see you on here. If you know anybody looking to move to Kings Heights, backing onto the pond, make sure you tag them and they can take a peek at this beautiful home. So it's got kind of like a beachy feel to it. The floor is like a bit whitewashed. It's really cool. Is it vinyl? I think it's a luxury vinyl plank. I think it's LVP. We've got nice white railing, open railing. Okay, hey Jen. Thanks for joining in. How's everybody doing now at this time of day? I don't usually do videos this late, do I? Okay, so we've got the beautiful living room with a gas fireplace. They've got a sectional here. Lots of room for furniture. Nice big dining area. And the main floor office is so cool. I'll show it to you in a minute. But first, let's look at this kitchen. What do you think of this kitchen? Hi, Tyler. How are you doing? Good to see you. Thanks for joining in. Okay, so we have all of these beautiful cabinets. It's such a nice finish on them. Is there under cabinet lighting? Oh yes, there's under cabinet lighting too. There you go. Nice quartz countertop. Here, I'll show it to you closer up. See, really nice wall oven, big sink. Check out this gas stove, 5 burner. Oh, sorry, can you see it? There you go. So there's the gas stove. Really nice, sorry, I'm having a little trouble here. Really nice hood fan. It's a high, it probably sucks a lot of air out. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but okay. We've got a nice walk-through pantry here. So you come in and this is your back. So there's another closet here, like a broom closet. And this is the way to your garage. It also has a really big walk-in closet back here. So a ton of space in your back mudroom. You've got a bench here. So a lot of room, a lot of space. Okay. Now, would you guys love to work in this office? Come and check it out with me. This was designed so that somebody could work and have a really great view of this pond while they were working. What do you think about that? Isn't that beautiful? Who would not love to work here in this office? It's got double doors, so it's private. You can close the doors if you need to make phone calls or whatever. So there, so we've got an east backyard, nice deck, Dura deck. What's the full width? Not quite the full width, obviously, but it's a really good sized deck. Okay, let's go upstairs. Hey, Trevor, how you doing? Good to see you. 523 Kingsmere Way in Airdrie is where I am right now. Gorgeous McKee home. It's between 23 and 2,400 square feet. We're having it measured tomorrow. Okay, so look at this beautiful chandelier too. What do you guys think of that? It's very sparkly. Does it look sparkly on camera? It's really, really neat. A lot of really neat things they picked. Hey, Samantha. Thanks for watching. Sylvia, hello. Okay. Oh, they don't quite have this. I don't know if that's getting a light fixture or what, but okay, here's the bonus room. Nice big bonus room. Room for a big TV. There's what we got. Okay, so here's one of the 2 primary suites. Okay, so really nice. This is a really big king bed. It fits perfectly, and also there is a beautiful chair, kind of enjoy the pond. So you have a view of the pond, and there's the houses across the pond. And just a little bit over is a nice park. So, and if you have kids or grandkids, it could be perfect, right? Okay, check out the first ensuite upstairs. A lot of counter space. And the shower. I'm trying to find the lights as I go here. And then we have a big walk-in closet plus private toilet room. So everything you want. Upgraded fixtures. Everything's black. All the fixtures are black. This one's got the nice shower head there if you want the handheld shower head thing. Okay, so let's go down to see the other one. We've got a linen closet there. And this is the laundry. It's connected to that closet. So here's the laundry. It's very central. And here's the other bedroom right here. All right. So the other bedroom, huge. It's also a king bed. Big side tables, dresser, everything. And then this ensuite has got an oversized shower. Big vanity, lots of storage, another private toilet room there. And then also a big walk-in closet. So it's a little bit more unique with the 2 rooms upstairs, but there's also 2 downstairs. So I'm going to show you the downstairs. So it's a 4-bedroom house. It could be really neat. Depends on the family that wants to live here. I'm sure there's a family that will fit perfectly in this house. Okay, what are you guys doing tonight? It's almost the weekend. Is anybody excited about that? Hi, Lori. Hi, Pamela. What do you guys think? Hi, Dave. Okay, I'm gonna head down the stairs here and I'm gonna show you this beautiful basement. So it can be set up as a suite, or it could just be, let me make sure somebody's down here. Hello? Oh, I think they're gone. Okay, so you come in, there's 2 bedrooms down here. So I'm gonna just turn the lights on. Didn't quite do that. Okay, here is 1 bedroom. They're very large bedrooms. 1 bedroom, got blinds on here. There's the closet, nice big closet. We've got the full bathroom right here. Full bath, nice quartz countertops, big shower. All right. And then here's the other bedroom. So there's 2 bedrooms down here. And this is a Flames fan, so that's a good thing. Had to get that in there. Okay, laundry. It's got the separate laundry down here. So there's 2 separate laundries in this house. So it could be used as a suite. Could be just used as a family room. So this could be your family room area. And it's got a fridge. Nice big fridge. So there's a lot of options you could do with this house. And so here's your entry, basement entry. Oh, hi, Ryan. Ryan Ruggles just joined. How's it going? Megan, you're working, I know. You guys are excited about the weekend? I hope so. I hope so. Hi, Dave. Thanks for watching. Dave, and Dave. Tyler. Yes, so, and even if you didn't use it as a suite, you know, who doesn't want 2 laundries? You could have 2 kids down here and they could do their own laundry and you could do your own laundry upstairs. So anyway, this is the view from down here. It's not graded yet. The McKee is going to get that done. That's all happening in the contract. So, but it's nicely covered. This is also covered. The top of the, underneath the deck is covered, so it's not going to get wet when you sit down there. So anyway, that's that house. This is 523 Kingsmere Way in Airdrie. Backing onto the pond. You can walk to schools. There's parks. Well, there's a park right behind. There's so many walking paths right behind you, right on the pond. It's a great community. A lot of people are looking to move to Kings Heights, and this is a brand new house. So it's a good opportunity if you like new homes and you don't have time to build it, or you can't find a lot, because there's not that many lots left right now. They're developing, but you know, it takes a long time to build a new house. So anyway, this could be the one. So if you think you love this house, or you know somebody that might, I'm out of breath again, make sure you message us or get your realtor to message us so you can get in. We're having photos tomorrow on this house, so we'll fully went off Facebook. So we're gonna know the exact measures. I'm gonna have floor plans. I'm gonna do some drone video. So if you want a private tour of your own, make sure you message us or your realtor and we'll get you in. Should be on the market on Saturday afternoon. It's on the MLS, but not quite yet. So if you want to see it before, we'll see if we can get you in. You have to contact us though. And it's so great to see all of you joining in. Do you want to know the price of this house? I think it's an awesome price. This size of house, fully developed on the pond, is $899. $899. What do you think? Okay, so if that's in your budget or somebody's budget that you know, make sure you tag them and share this video. Okay, and I really am thankful that you all joined me on this tour tonight. having trouble getting my words out today. That's not really like me, is it? Thank you all for joining me on this tour. It's been great to hang out with you 2 times today. And I'm going to be doing another video tomorrow. So come and join me for that one too. But anyway, I hope you all have a great Thursday night. Have fun, and we'll talk to you soon.